In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate average in Google Sheets. Stop using a calculator for your grades. This is the fastest way to compute your averages right inside your sheet. Imagine you have a simple gradebook, a column for student names, followed by columns for math, science, English, PE, and history. We want the overall average to appear in the last column, so let's put it there in a clean, repeatable way. Click the cell where you want the first average to appear. In my example, that's cell G2. Type equals, average, open parentheses, and select the range of grades for that student. It will look like this. Average, B2, F2. Then press Enter. This tells Google Sheets to compute the mean of the 5 subject grades in that row. The references B2 through F2 point to the cells holding the scores for one student. If one of those cells is blank, average ignores the blank and still calculates based on the numbers it finds. If you prefer a quicker selection, you can simply highlight all the grades in that row and hit Enter. The result is the same. Sheets calculates the average for that student's subjects without any manual math. Now let's avoid retyping. Hover over the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell where you just entered the formula. That's the fill handle. When your cursor becomes a plus sign, double-click it. Instead of typing the formula again for every student, this instantly fills the rest of the list and adjusts the row numbers automatically. Each student will get their own average based on the grades in their row. If nothing happens, make sure there's data in the adjacent columns so Sheets knows how far to fill. To clean things up, highlight the entire average column, often labeled GWA or overall average, and click the Decrease Decimal Places button in the toolbar, the one that shows 0.0. If the numbers look messy or have too many digits, clicking this button rounds the display to 1 decimal place. Your underlying calculations remain accurate. You're simply making the results easier to read. If you need fewer or more decimal places, click the same button again until it looks right. That's it. Type the average once, fill it down in a single click, and format the results so your gradebook looks professional. No more manual calculations, no more copy-paste errors, just quick, accurate averages in Google Sheets.